or welcome back to another Buenos Aires vlog. Today we're going to the immigration office to see about our visas, to extend our visas. So we're heading there this morning. It's actually really nice weather today. It's like overcast, but it's pretty warm. So no jacket needed, which we're really excited about. And I think we're gonna stop for coffee later. And yeah, we gotta get going. Like the DMV in here. Well, that was an easy process. We were in and out in less than an hour, so that was awesome. After extending our visas, we walked over to the Galeria Pacifico, a stunning boat art shopping palace at the corner of Florida Street and Cordoba Avenue in central Buenos Aires. Originally conceived in 1889 as the Argentine version of Le Bon Marché, after decades as a museum and railway offices, it was reborn in 1992 as a luxe shopping arcade and cultural landmark. The Centro Cultural Borges hosted a dress-themed exhibit spotlighting fashion as wearable art featuring sculptural textile works, celebrating identity and memory in garments, a tactile vision journey through fabric and femininity. celebrate our visa extensions, we decided to have a fun date night, so we headed over to New Sensations by Blow Up, an immersive art exhibition in Buenos Aires held at the Pabellón Frez inside Laurel. It's an expansive inflatable art event blending state-of-the-art mapping, VR, LED lighting, live performances, and giant interactive structures such as ball pits and labyrinths. Oh, it's warm in here.
It's so warm.
Today is our last day in this Airbnb. We're just finishing packing and then we're heading to a coffee shop just to like hang out until the next Airbnb is available. I packed, my makeup looks a little crazy. I packed like all of my makeup brushes. Yeah, we're just finishing up here. We definitely have way more stuff than when we first got here because we had to get a ton of cold weather clothes. So I'm gonna do a thrift haul to show you exactly like what we got and all of the cozy sweaters that we got. Yeah. Oh, my earrings. What is like one thing that you like can't leave the house without? Because mine is my earrings for sure. What were you gonna say?
I was just gonna say we were having such a hard time finding thrift stores when we first got here. We found one that was like, I don't know, the equivalent of like a Plato's Closet where things are just kind of still pricey. But we finally found some like really nice just
gems.
Yeah. So we're happy about that because when we first got here we were only finding like kind of the more expensive thrift stores. We were like, oh.
Yeah, like $28 for a little H&M t-shirt that would be like $7 in the States. So we definitely did not want to spend our money frivolously. But I need to finish doing this mop of mine. I'm trying not to fully like dry it, but it is of course sprinkling on a hair wash day per usual. But yeah, I'm gonna go fix this. So we just left the Airbnb and now we're just sitting like at a cafe, but look how much stuff we have right now. Granted, we didn't like pack like we packed like coming here. We just kind of like tried to throw everything in. This time we didn't pack as much in each of the cubes because we bought this giant guy, thank goodness. Yeah. But now we are just sitting here. We're gonna wait. We don't have that long to wait.
30 minutes.
Yeah. So we're gonna have a coffee and just hang out for a little bit.
Todo bien, perdón.
Hanging out the pastries. We definitely accumulated a ton more, but it's also like bathroom stuff and
sweaters.
Yeah, sweaters. So it's like a lot more like bigger things. Like we didn't come with a full thing of shampoo and conditioner. We didn't come with like all of our
And this is everything that was in the fridge.
Yeah.
And then we have another bag equal the size of it of like pantry items.
Here. And then this is like our heating supplies and bathroom stuff. So we definitely have a lot more, but none of that stuff is going to be traveling with us. So it just looks like we have a ton of stuff.
It looks like we're not getting on the flight.
Yeah. It looks like we're here forever. Which might be. It's gonna get cold real fast.
Mm-hmm.
We just got to the new Airbnb and seriously, we already want to book it for next month. So let me just show you. You walk in, this is the entrance, super cute. Ooh, they have sanitizer too, that's good. Here's the bathroom. See the shower. Does it have a tub? Oh, it does have a tub. Cool. That's good. Another mirror, which is great because most of the Airbnbs that we've stayed at have not had a full-length mirror, but they've been in like the lobby, so that's okay, or they're in the elevator, but we love a full-length mirror. And then you walk in here, and this is the bedroom side. It is a studio. Nice big closet. I love this. I love when they have big closets. Lots of little cubbies and drawers. And then on this side, we have lots of hangers, which is nice because that's another thing that's been lacking in some of the ones that we've stayed at. Tons more storage space. Then we have this window, which is awesome because it lets in a lot of light and it's really just like out to a little inner courtyard. And we have a desk space. So this is gonna be great for meetings for the both of us. I love that. And then here's the living room. It's so bright in here.
I know, I love it. Here.
I know. See.
The little things.
It is the little things, but I just said like we haven't had it in a lot of the Airbnbs that we've been staying at, so it's really nice to have it here. Nice.
Look at the size of the TV.
Oh my gosh. I think that's a 55-inch. I think that's what it said in the listing. So that's huge. That's gonna be great for movie nights. And let me just turn this down. It's so bright in here. I love it. That smells so good. Guys, it smells so good in here. I know. I'm so excited about that. It's the little things. We're just elated. So nice big table, which is also great for working. It's a coffee station here. Again, a nice big mirror, which we love. And I actually think the sun sets on this side. There you go. I think the sun sets on this side, so we'll get the, we'll get the sunset bouncing off of that, which is gonna be beautiful. I just love that this is our view. We're above literally everything. So it's so nice. We can see everybody's.
Oh, that's cool. They have grass on their roof.
Yeah.
And then like a pool.
That's so
Little
cute.
picnic table and a grill.
Yep.
Yeah, this is so
This
cool.
pink one is super cute with all of the
Oh yeah, it is.
plants. I love this. Nice big table. This is great.
This is
and this, like, I don't know what it's called, awning or whatever thing above is short. So we're getting a lot more light than if it was a like longer overhang. So this is so perfect.
Yeah.
Like, I'm so excited.
Maybe some of that building is really cool, just details, and I wonder when they were built.
Here's the kitchen. Everything is new. This building is actually new. So if you look on the Google Maps, this building isn't even here. It's just like brand new, and you can see all of the construction basically. And so they don't have any new, like, real pictures of this building. So this is just so cute. They only had the renderings, so I was wondering if it was going to be like similar to the renderings or if they were exaggerating how cute it was, but they're not. This is so cute. So a nice big kitchen. Here's the washing machine, which was an absolute must. Lots of cupboards, pantry, which we, oh, that's not a pantry, it's a microwave. Good use of space,
Yeah,
goodness.
microwave and then the hot water heater.
Yeah, big hot water heater, so that's good. Love all the cabinets. I love that everything is new. Oh, and it gets even brighter because look at this. Here.
Oh wow. That's so nice.
Oh no, now they're uneven, so a little OCD kicking in.
You just turn that. Oh, there we go.
Is it good?
Yeah.
But this is so cute. So
This is really cute.
I definitely want to rent this again for next month.
Yeah, I agree.
Perfect space. So, welcome to our crib. There's the bed. I love this headboard. This is really nice. Good choice, people. Good choice.
We also have the universal plug strips everywhere, which is really nice.
Yeah. Quite happy with our new home.
What you doing?
Dropped it off the side. Oops. Well, you know, just a little housekeeping.
Yeah. Just a little decorating.
Yeah.
You brought these blinds?
Yeah. Just wanted to make it a little more homey. Imagine.